Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, and this is Minakshi. News headlines in English for 23rd of November. And first of all, national news. Bihar income tax detected 100 crore unaccounted income in 5 cities. 14 states furnished views on identifying minorities. Center in court. Free trade deal with Australia may reach $45 billion initially, center. Immense scope to boost defense ties between India, Cambodia, Rajnath Singh. Maharashtra government fell in a day. Future unpredictable, Union Minister. Amid war, a Ukrainian mother, Indian father fight for child in Delhi court. Assam's K9 dog squad hero Zorba, with over 60 records, dies. Centre informed Supreme Court about starting portal for mental health in districts. Sabrimala pilgrims can take coconuts in cabin baggage, aviation security regulator. 95% of Assam's youth suffers mental health issues, UNICEF study said. 36 bridges found unfit for traffic in safety audit in Uttarakhand. Adopted child can get parents' job on compassionate grounds, High Court. And now some international news. Kim Jong Un's sister accused UN of double standard over military drills. PM Modi saddened by loss of lives due to earthquake in Indonesia. Indonesia earthquake death count jumps to 268. Search for survivors on. Iran enriching uranium to 60% purity at underground nuclear site, a report said. Vladimir Putin to meet mothers of Russian soldiers, a report said. UN rights body eyes probe on Iran's deadly crackdown on protesters. Avoid escalation of tensions. Russia cautions Turkey over Syria strikes. 6 former Hong Kong newspaper staff plead guilty to collusion charge. US defense chief met Chinese counterpart in Cambodia. Tsunami warning issued after 7.0 magnitude quake hit Solomon Islands. Ukrainians likely to live with blackouts until March end, energy provider. And now some sports news. India versus New Zealand. Rain hit third T20 international ends in tie. India won series 1-0. Next, men's T20 World Cup to be played in new format. Saudi Arabia stunned Lionel Messi's Argentina at FIFA World Cup. Iran football team does not sing national anthem before FIFA World Cup game against England. Now news related to business. Sensex rised over 270 points, stalling a 3-day losing streak. Rupee rose 20 paise to 81.65 as dollars, steadies after rising overnight. India will grow to become a $40 trillion economy by 2047, Mukesh Ambani. SEBI extended timeline for public comments on consultation paper for cloud framework. In pre-budget meets, farmers' bodies ask Centre to lift export ban on wheat. India's fiscal consolidation trend intact to see strong revenues, Moody's. SEBI extended deadline for settlement scheme on liquid stock option cases. Domestic air traffic rise 10% to 1.14 crore passengers in October. Aviation regulator. Centre to give additional funds for rural schemes to ease pain, a report said. Upcoming round of talks on India-UK trade pact slated for next month, Commerce Minister. Australian Parliament approved free trade agreement with India. Ministers panel may recommend 28% GST on online gaming, a report said. Now news from science and technology. Melting glaciers could release tons of bacteria into rivers, a study said. Alzheimer's disease, oral bacteria may be responsible for illness, a study said. Japan launch satellite with NASA's Artemis. China's moon base to be powered by new nuclear system, a report said. Massive new study reveals global health challenge of bacterial infections. NASA's Artemis spacecraft reached the moon, sends back image of pale blue dot Earth. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.